Didn't have to do that with the high tech.
Give us a D message, DMESG. I just want to see something here. If we have, okay, we do not have what, yeah, we don't have it. One of the things you can see sometimes is when Clipper is messed up on a USB device, you'll see,
fail.
Yeah, you'll see the machine see a new USB device connect and it won't be able to set it up. And that will show up in here, but we're not seeing that here. We're seeing a display fail to set up, which might just be because it's not ready.
All
But
the USB stuff.
yep, but we're not seeing any red USB stuff. We have that's a SD card that's MMC one, so that's for secondary SD card, which is a weird thing the Pi's only kind of have. But we're into early kernel. We're early enough that nothing above this is going to be of use. So it's not showing up as a USB device.
They might have to reflash it and see if that brings it back.
Yeah, I would say trying to bring it into boot mode. So yeah, you have two options. One option is while holding the boot button, press and release the reset button. The other option is to remove power, hold the reset button, apply power. They basically do the same thing, but the two buttons is a little easier.
Well, let me try the two buttons first, okay?
Yeah.
Let me try this again.
Well, if he has catapult on it, can he just double tap the reset button?
It's possible that would try to take us into catapult, but at this point, I want to see if it's even going to enumerate for PyBoot.
Nope, it is not working.
Okay, yeah, it's not showing up there. Check D message again. See if we even see a new device. No.
This is actually technically running on UART, but it is on the USB port.
The way you're not. No.
You're wrong, Nelson. Sorry. It is
the Nighthawk.
Well, it's not even the Nighthawk. The RP2040 chip natively supports USB. It does not need a CH340 serial to USB bridge device.
Yeah. That's part of why the RP2040 is so great as a chip, because you get a whole lot for not a lot of money.
I wonder if I can order just that control board for that.
I don't know. Maybe if you call LDO, there's a good chance they might consider this a Goodwill replacement. Because it looks like it's gone brain dead in a potentially dangerous way, and they might kind of want to dissect it.
See what happened?
Yeah.
I'm just wondering if somehow like the cable got damaged and that's why it's not showing up.
Well, it's got power. If it's not showing up, power's
only half the equation.
Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's an easy way to check. So one of the things about USB is the host provides pull-ups, and the device will pull down one of the rails. So as it's initializing, so you could make with a few resistors is this USB device even trying adapter? However, we don't get any lights. We don't get the status light.
Which means the processor's not booting.
Yeah. Or the processor's not running the code it's supposed to.
Are you sure you pressed the buttons in the right order?
Yes, I did.
You want to try it again?
Sure, certainly. Hold on.
Yeah, boot is the left one. So it's hold left, tap right. And what? And the light that's on at the bottom, is that the second light from the left, or is that the leftmost light?
Oh, let me get a magnifying glass to check that. That's a little difficult to read at the moment.
Okay.
It's really hard to tell. I think it's the second light.
Okay, that's what I was afraid of. Because that light did not go out when you hit the reset button.
No, I haven't. Hold on. I'll try it again. No, it did not go out.
Yeah, like if you hold reset, that light should go out while you're holding reset. That's not good.
I don't know why or how it broke.
I would say that I can't talk about, and you have two lights on the top, right?
Yes, I do.
Yep. So you got both your voltage lights. I would say that we have at minimum lost something in the power control section for the hot end. We might have lost the microcontroller. Because that second light should not be on during reset.
It's hard to tell. I look at the first light. It is the second light. And the board's really warm too, by the way.
I think the board's hot. If the board is warm now with no current, do you think the microcontroller is hot locked? That's no bueno.
This thing is really warm. This board should not be this warm.
No, it should not.
I mean, I can hold it, but it is really, really warm.
Yeah. You don't have a thermal camera, do you?
I'm sorry?
You don't have a thermal camera, do you?
Of course not.
Okay.
You think I'm that rich?
They're not that expensive anymore.